stunning, tastefully decorated and meticulously maintained Carlyle model with open concept floor plan, solo heated swimming pool and amazing lake views. This home boasts a master ensuite with rarely found his and hers toilets, dual vanities, separate shower and large soaking tub. The kitchen features new stainless steel appliances, 42 kitchen cabinets with modifications and pullouts in all base cabinets. Additional matching built-in cabinetry is located in the dining area. HVAC replaced in 2016. Neutral tile is found throughout all living areas with brand new carpeting in all bedrooms. Home is airy and bright with sliders opening to the freeform pool that has a custom finished rear patio deck. Arguably one of the most spectacular lake views located in VillageWalk, it provides